Okay, so another day, another dollar. My Subaru Forester right here. Fog light right there is out. So I'm gonna replace both fog lights. I picked up these, what are these? LED bulbs. It's an H16 type bulb, which is what I need. I pulled the other one out. Of course, it's way easier to just go on Amazon. So that's what I did. So I don't feel like putting the car up on ramps. So basically I'll walk you through how you take this thing off. I can see what's going on up here. So let me see if I can get the light in position here. Thought that was magnetic. All right, let me get a different light, and I'll show you how we do this. Okay, here's a better light. This other light is great for under the hood stuff, but not so good over here. All right, so let's see where I can point this. Some people take such good videos, I'm jealous. Trust me, this one's not gonna be that good. All right, let me lie down on my back. See what's going on here. All right, so in order to get to this, you gotta take off, I'll point to it. This one, I guess one fell off. There was one over here. That's how good I put it back. There should have been 2, 3, 4, 5, and a screw. I'm gonna have to look for another one. I definitely have some extras floating around. So, I hope it lasts. All right, so we'll focus this. Plug it in. Plug and play, fit right in there. So hopefully I can stick it in, give it a quarter turn, and it'll just be right. It looks like a direct replacement. Should fit. So let's see what's going on here. Let's see if I can put it back up into there, where it belongs, right there. So let's see. Yeah, perfect. Basically in a 45-degree turn. I'm gonna try it. All right. So let's put this back. Deep. Works. Right. Good. Alright, why would you him out? That kills me though. Alright. Can't even pull it out, so. Alright, I left one of them out. Alright. Actually didn't take that one out, but whatever. Alright. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so that's one side. Do the same thing on the other side and we'll call it a day. So let's go for it. Okay, so now this is the passenger side of the car. This is the old no good deed goes unpunished. I'm removing the clips. This fog light was completely fine, but the color temperature was different than the new bulb I put in. And turned out the mounting bracket was completely broken and the fog light was loose. Plus, the bulb was stuck in there. And when I mean stuck, I mean stuck. And you'll see I cut my entire hand apart trying to get the bulb out of the mounting bracket. All right, so just stay tuned. It's a little disgusting, but I apologize. But extremely annoying. All right. Reach in there. Get the give it a 90 degree to the right turn. Of course, I have absolutely no purchase on it here. The bulb is loose. Look at this. That's not good. I don't think it's supposed to be like that. But whatever. Let's just get this out. We'll worry about that later. Okay, so I'm sorry about all the speeded up clips, but I didn't think you wanted to see me struggling to take the bulb out. Anyway, the idea is, I figured since I was upside down and backwards, it was hard to get a good grip on the actual bulb. So if I take the entire thing out and disconnect the bulb from the car and the fixture with the bulb in it, I could either take a tool to it, or I could, just get a better grip on it to take it out. So that's what I'm doing here. All right, so get this off. This just slides. All right, so this slid in and then gets screwed in there. So here it is. All right, freaking tight. Can't even get the darn thing out. Wow. Oh, you know what? This is broken. That's why. Look at that. I'm gonna have to probably epoxy that back together. That's my answer. That's why it's moving around. All right, anyway, I can't even get this damn thing out. Let's see if I can take this out and put the bulb in. Push forward. That's not. This is absurd. This thing is completely stuck. And the mount is broken. Alright, so let's see what we can do here. Never easy. Never easy being cheesy. Somebody I know once said. Alright. Just for the record, this thing goes face down. Alright, let's see what we can do here. Got to turn 90 degrees this way. All right, I decided to take out the profanity because it really isn't necessary. All right, so hopefully you can imagine what I said. That hurts, and something's sticking out of my fingernail. That's a Band-Aid. That's usually what happens. Alright, so I'm gonna have to play around with this damn thing. That's the other part of it. I'm gonna have to take this out piece by piece. Piece by piece. This is crazy. It's really ridiculous. Try not to break the mounting bracket. Too late for that. Then you gotta buy a new one of these. That's all. That's all there is to it. All right. That was easy. So just a little bit of blood, a little bit of disgustingness. I still want to epoxy this. I got a couple of coffee sticks here. Okay, so I'm using epoxy that is made for plastic, and it's made to fill in plastic. I mixed it up. It said a half an hour set time, but I gave it about an hour. And then ultimately, I wound up putting it back on the car in about 3 or 4 hours. It's going to hold. It's totally fine. I've had very good luck with epoxy. All right, so fast forward about an hour. Here's where we are. This stuff is, the epoxy is hard. Take the clamps off. And we're good, it's holding. All right. So I think if I'm smart, I'll give this a little bit more time to kind of, I don't know if it's 100% hard yet. It says it's sandable in a half an hour. And it's been quite a while, but I think I'm just gonna leave it maybe till a few hours from now. All right, I'm not gonna, this is all inside. This is all behind the front panel. The trim is over here, so I don't need to make this look nice. That's it. That's what we are. Epoxy is like the wonder drug. All right, let's see if I can put this back together like Humpty Dumpty. I won't be able to. Let's try it. All right. See how this goes. Really what I did here was first I plugged the bulb in to the electrical in the car. Then I attached a mounting bracket back into the housing in the bumper. And I screwed that in. And then the last step was to put the panel back up with those little plastic pieces. And I tried to go through it pretty fast. I sped up the video because it's relatively boring, like the rest of this video. Sorry, guys. And of course, I'm going to strip this out. That's this back out. I'm sure. Alright, that's it from there. Alright, otherwise loose. But this height is going. Alright. That's it. Okay, let's that all this. Good. All right. All right. It's what I call a bit of annoying lighting. All right. If I turn this on and it doesn't go on, I'm gonna be pissed off. Like really pissed off. One. All right, they're both on. Two. And I got the heat in the garage here to grow these plants over the winter. All right. Done. More of a job than I wanted it to be and was expecting it to be, but oops. But we're done. Thanks for watching.